So everyone is ready with the canvas. Just comment yes or no and let me know about it. So this is the canvas part that I'm using and I have taken the canvas board. Okay. Hello Pitha ji, Mridula ji, Mamta ji. Thank you so much for attending today's session. This workshop will be of 4 days. So I will try to reach maximum people, or even you can include more people for this workshop. Share this information with your friends and family or the kids, even the age group of 10 or 8 years and above can join this session. Okay. Hi, Nancy ji. So this is the masking tape. Changing this position of the flowers so that we'll get good coverage for the light. So take your masking tape, take any notepad, or you can just take backside of your canvas board. Okay. Yes, Devi ji, the recordings will be uploaded on YouTube channel. The YouTube channel name is same as the page name. So today's session is very easy session. So I have secured my canvas sheet with the masking tape. See, if you are using canvas sheet, then only you have to secure it with the masking tape. Otherwise, you can just use the canvas as it is. Okay, you can use canvas as it is. This I was using canvas part, which is a canvas sheet only cut into the A4 size sheet. Otherwise, canvas you can use as it is. All right. So we'll require sponge. Okay. If you have a bigger size of sponge, like this much size, you can just take scissors and make small parts of the sponge like this. You can take palette, and instead of palette, I use ceramic plate. I'm trying to zoom little bit. Let's see if we can zoom bit so that, yeah. Okay. So for today's painting, you can take lemon yellow, If you don't have lemon yellow, you can take Scarlet Lake. How many of you are doing this session with me? Then let me know. So that I will get idea. Ruhiji, I have already posted this in the group. Okay, Angera ji. Ruhiji, you can join us on the WhatsApp. I'll share the WhatsApp. If you can ping me, I'll share the WhatsApp link. Okay, so side by side, I'm just taking here colors. First, I have taken Crimson Lake. Okay, so many of you are doing. So I'm just telling you the colors so you can take all the colors out. Permanent yellow deep. I'm keeping all shades here so that then lemon yellow. Geeta ji, it was posted in group at the end of the session. I'll show you what we have done and what the painting was. Actually, these four paintings were basically from my paid session, but since I thought Diwali is coming, so for the festive season, I have announced this session of, or you can call the workshop, where four paintings you will learn thoroughly. Okay. Then you can take cobalt blue or ultramarine blue. See, I'm keeping all the shades ready so that when I'm doing the dabbing technique, it will be easier. I'm taking both the shades, cobalt blue also and ultramarine blue also. No, this is permanent yellow deep. See, I have arranged the shades here. Permanent yellow deep, whatever shades I have used, I'm keeping it here so that it will be easy to understand. And these are the parts of the sponge. If you have a bigger sponge, make sure you will cut uh, that sponge into these smaller parts. So now shall we start? Just in case I need it more, I'm keeping this aside. Yes, Meera ji, I'll show you the entire picture once we complete this. I have posted this in the every like four paintings are there. So if you connect with us and join our free session group, you will get the remaining three paintings also. Okay, so let's start with the lemon yellow. Just slowly you have to start dabbing the color. Okay, I forgot the white to take. Take colors in more quantity. So take this on your sponge and start dabbing and spreading. In between, mix. Okay, when I am dabbing, my work table is also shaking little bit. So the video is little bit shaky. Start dabbing permanent yellow deep also from the side. Don't waste your color on the masking tape. All right. Take white also in between. These are all beautiful paintings that we are going to do for this 4 days. Like tomorrow also same time, 4:30 p.m. Sorry, 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Okay. So this much have you all completed, or should I wait for one? See, if you keep your colors like in front of air, your acrylic colors are going to dry fast. So you have to make sure you are not sitting directly in front of flow of the air. Yesterday also there was this session where I have used same sponge technique. So now I have entirely used this sponge. So I will take another sponge to apply pink shade. So for pink first, what I'm doing, I'm just dabbing here crimson, and on crimson I'm dabbing white. Ruhi ji, for WhatsApp now, you can go to my page, that like the same page, there is a WhatsApp button. Just ping me, I will add you in the group. Okay? नहीं नहीं ममता जी, बिल्कुल भी पानी यूज नहीं करना है जब हम डैप कर रहे हैं. See, those who are watching this session first time, you can join tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that day also. This session will be uploaded on the YouTube, and those who are completing this session will get a certificate after submitting the painting. Okay? Varsha ji, yes, video will be recorded, uploaded immediately after this session on the YouTube. Okay? So I'm taking little, if you are using bottle colors, you can use dip brill from the bottle. If you are using bottle colors, you can directly use orange shade also. Okay, now we have reach till here. No, uncut means I didn't get you. Now from here, I'll start with the ultramarine blue. You can start if you don't have ultramarine blue with the cobalt blue. The same video will be there. Nothing is edited. The same video. So to make this quicker, what I'm doing, I'm just taking directly white here and picking up ultramarine blue from here. No, Varshaji, this session is actually on the live stream from the Zoom. So video is getting recorded as it is. Okay. So you will get the video as it is. You can do directly, put colors directly on your canvas. Now just dab little colors, reach in between the pink shade also. Isn't this looking beautiful? Please like this video. Don't forget to like. Merge it here, take color and merge it here. And I'm so grateful that all of you are attending this session. So now see, this part is now dry. So what we can do, we can again take this orange and very little bit will merge here. Because it should not look like a boundary now. So just take little orange and dab it here. Okay. So in the middle, again, this is dry. We don't use same color size from the sponge. Choose different empty sides when you are dabbing the sponge with the color. Okay. And make sure whatever color is on your hand will not be happen to come on your canvas. So now slowly dab here in the middle and give little highlight. Okay. Now here we'll draw silhouette of little girl. She is holding balloons in her hand. Thank you, Deepa ji. Let me see if it is possible to post the YouTube channel link. I'll definitely post. Let's see. Till then, let me know once you finish this much. We'll proceed with the drawing the silhouette of the small girl. See, for time being, this is looking very smooth. Okay, but later on, you can create again the texture by dabbing the color again. Okay. So here I have posted the YouTube link. You can subscribe to YouTube channel. Okay. Are we done now? Don't forget to share this video on your wall. You can give again more shaded effect here. If you have this brilliant purple, I have lot of shades in blue because usually sky requires lot of shades. Okay. So if you are going to paint for a while, like if you are artist, painter, or art enthusiastic, so you can keep all these shades with you. You can use Persian blue also. Hello, Jayashree ji. How are you? So from size, I'm giving little darker tone. Yeah, almost same. You can add. See, if you want to have a good texture, you can dab your color using sponge. Okay. Yeah, you can use the same deep brill purple by adding white to it while you are doing the shading part. Okay. So now uh, we have to show stars. So either you can show the stars using fine brush, or you can simply use the childhood technique, is that use your toothbrush. Okay, so I'm not taking this white acrylic color into bottle palette. Jayashree ma'am, what is the date of? Yes, Radhika ji, the date of submission is after 29, 1 week. So that will be 3rd November. Okay. Jayashree ma'am, you can see the same video on the YouTube, and you can connect with us through personal WhatsApp number. You will see the WhatsApp button on my Facebook page, which is Anahat Art by Aditi Taude. So now you can sprinkle the white shade till I feel uh, this is not darker enough. So I'm adding little cobalt blue. So almost 2 to 3 shades of the blue we have added. Okay. Now you sprinkle the white shade on the canvas. Literally load your brush. Okay, like this. Now I guess I don't need the boundaries. So I'm just removing to show you how it will look without the masking tape, and how it creates a nice border. Okay, here this I'm not removing. Once we completed the grass part, I'll remove that. So now pick black. You can use cube color also, but bottle color gives nice fluidity. So I'm using bottle color. Start showing grass from here. It just gives stroke, nothing else. Please go to my YouTube channel. You will find lot of acrylic painting. See some grass part I'm showing little bigger in size. If you are not very sure how your girl silhouette will come accurately, so what you can do, you can take pencil, draw the rough silhouette of the girl, okay, like this. So I'm drawing with directly with the brush. I'm not good with the pencil, like drawing on the canvas with the pencil. I'm good with the free hand, so I'm drawing directly here where we have given the highlighted part. Some of us have a really good hand for the freehand drawing. You can pay attention now, and then later on you can complete this. Please draw this with patience and slowly. You will not go wrong anywhere. Trust me. Which brush I'm using? I'm using this fine line brush. It is a local brand. You will get this easily from Amazon. Amazon. Okay. This painting is very basic painting, but even basic teaches us very important thing. Now start filling this up with the black color. Jayashree, don't forget to like us on the Facebook. See, there were almost 200 people, and out of them, only 25 are there today. So thank you so much for attending this session. After this, there will be one more workshop, which I will announce post Diwali. Okay. And first I'm drawing the balloons here, and then I will draw the string of the balloon coming to girl's hand. Now it's easy. And now you can see the thing. This was the painting. Okay. So this is the Google reference. I guess this is digital image. So you can find any digital wallpaper and you can try to convert this into painting. This is one of the things which I told my student or advised to do. So you can develop your hand with the color. Wow, we are almost done. Now just one simple part is remaining. Draw these strings And don't forget to sign your painting at the end. Okay. So are we done here, everyone? So those who are interested to join for remaining 3 paintings, you can connect with us on the WhatsApp. I will add you in the free session group. See, one of the paintings is this also out of this workshop. Okay. So I'm ending today's session. Thank you, everyone. And at the end of the workshop, I'll let you know how you're going to submit the painting. Okay. So bye bye, everyone. And don't forget to like the video on YouTube also. Do comment if you like the video on YouTube. Support us on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow at the same time, 5:30. Thank you so much, Pumta ji.